If y'all was beefing at the wedding, y'all should have been beefing at that wedding. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Butterflishy here. If you guys are new here, my name is Bashira Shy or Butterfly Shy. Welcome to my channel where I do self-care vlogs and just, middle class lifestyle, trying to be on the come up. The come up. Nah. So, and if you guys are not new here, welcome back. Thank you for the support. My channel has been growing very fast and I didn't think it would actually grow this fast. Yeah. So, what was I about to say? Look, I'm already forgetting what I was about to say. So today is going to be another hair video. I did do a video before on butterfly locks without crochet. If you guys seen it already, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. My head was itching. We're going to keep it right there. My head was itching because I did not wash that hair. Every time I tell myself, wash the hair before you put it in your head, I didn't do it. So yeah, after 4 or 5 days, my scalp was on fire. Yeah. So that came out very, very quickly. But also, I got asked to do a collaboration with a brand company on Amazon for butterfly locks. But this video is going to be crocheted butterfly locks. So yeah, let me show you the brand and then we're gonna get into the video. So this is the brand. I don't know if y'all can see it. Young there, I guess that's how you say it. Sorry if I said it wrong. I will put a link in the description box of where you can get the hair, and it is on Amazon. Make sure you guys watch the entire video because I will tell you how much percentage you will get off. They did give me a discount code for you guys. Make sure you watch the whole video to get the discount code. Okay, so let's see what all comes into this. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Berna. So the hair comes in about 6 packs. 6 individual packs of hair. And they all come in their own individual pack and they're together. So I like this because it has like where the loop is. And then like at the bottom it's very tight. So if y'all saw my last video, that's what I was struggling with. Actually finding a way how to lock it and keep it from unraveling, because that was stressing me out actually. So they do come in 6 individual packs like that. Something else that I like that comes in this bag, first of all, I like the fact that it comes in like a bag, because when you take them out, and you can just put them back, right back in the bag. Okay. So what else comes in here is a crochet. Do you call it a crochet needle or just a crochet? A crochet tool. I like this because, first of all, some people don't even know where to get this. I'm quite sure you guys might have seen a whole bunch of other videos on how to do butterfly locks, butterfly crochet. Some people don't really know where to get this from. I like that it comes with it, because yeah, that's less money you gotta spend. I don't care if at the beauty supply store it's like $2, $3. Well, guess what? This came with the packaging. Also, it comes with little cute accessories. These different ones. I like that they put those in there. Those are really cute if you want to add those to your butterfly locks. And it comes with these very cute little clips. I like it. All right. So yeah, make sure you guys watch the whole entire video, because I will tell you how much, but I'm not gonna put that in the description box. I will tell you guys how much you get at the end, a percentage, a discount code, at the end. Also, I will be announcing that I'm going to do a giveaway on my store at the end of this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys the hair. I was clearly struggling to get it open. Then I am going to show you how to actually put the hair inside. So I was struggling a little bit. You're going to hook the hair on top of the loop and then close the latch and pull it straight through. And then you're going to take the loop at the bottom of the lock, pull it through the first hole all the way through. So I'm just going to finish the rest off screen because I was struggling so bad, as y'all can clearly tell. Yeah. Okay, so this is me halfway done. Okay. So this is pack number 3. Look, all of that is already 2 packs of hair. This is pack number 3. Oh yeah, I only use like a few of those out of the pack number 3. So this one I did kind of struggle with pulling my hair through the actual braid itself, because you're going to feed the loop inside of the braid. So I'm showing you how to loop it in and then close the latch, and then you're going to pull it all the way through. And yeah, I was struggling. This braid was a little bit tighter than some of the other ones. So like I said, you can like pull the hair down a little bit on the braid itself to like get some of that tension off of it. And yeah, some people take their braid and pull it through the loop too. I did it with some of those, but not all of them. It makes it look a little bit neater. As you can see, I kind of messed up the 2 front ones because it looked a little bulky. So right now, I'm just clipping my hair back because it was in my face. And then I'm just going to feed my braid inside of the actual butterfly lock itself. I was struggling. Yeah, I was looking in the mirror and I was struggling with that because for some reason it just was not trying to go inside the braid. But as you guys can see, I'm pulling my hair through the braid and making sure that latch is closed so your hair won't get caught on other pieces, so the hook won't get caught on other pieces of hair and like pulling your hair. Always make sure that latch is closed, please. Carisha, please make sure that latch is closed. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Okay, so within the next couple seconds, yeah, I was stressing out. So within the next couple seconds of this part, I'm gonna actually show you guys how to feed your hair through the butterfly lock. So the hook itself is already inside of the braid, and then you just latch on your hair and pull it through. Some of the braids was a little bit tight to pull my actual hair, but once you get your hair in there, you can kind of like pull some of the hair down to make it look a little bit neater and all together. Yeah, so this is the finished look. This is the final look. Okay, I put them in a little style. I had to do most of them off camera because I was struggling. I ain't gonna lie, I was struggling with the whole crochet thing. This was actually I want to say my first time doing crochet. It is my first time doing crochet. I don't know. But as for the hair, I do love it. I love how they are uniformed. They pretty much all look the same when it comes to it. The hair itself, it feels good. It's not like dry or anything. I did struggle a little bit, but it's not because of the hair. It's because of the whole crochet. You're fitting. Okay, so not only are you, putting that in there and then you're looping it. My struggle was putting my own hair in here. So I have seen most people do like cornrow, but I can't braid. I'm sorry, I can't braid. So yeah, I mean, now that I did it, I'll probably be able to do it again because this was kind of like my first time doing it, so I was like struggling. Again, thank you to Young there, Zane Rose. I will put their Instagram in the description box, and I will also put the link to their accounts on Amazon. This is the hair right off of Amazon. You get 6 packs of hair, and I didn't even use 6 packs. That's the gag. I didn't even use 6 packs. I used 2.5 of a third one. Yeah, so, and I only used like 1 braid out of the third one. 1 or 2 braids out of the third one. So a pretty good amount comes in with each individual pack. I did my braids pretty medium size. My hair is very fine, so it wasn't, you know, it wasn't that hard. But for people with coarse hair, I do advise y'all, my 4C girls, I do advise y'all, if y'all want to do crochet, I do advise y'all to do smaller braids because you guys' hair is much thicker. My hair isn't that thick, so my braids were very skinny. My braids were skinny, even though they're like medium sized. They're all medium sized. The hair itself was really good. I didn't really have any issues with it. It didn't unravel the whole entire time I was fiddling with it. I will advise you guys whenever you're, because the hair itself, like the knot is all the way up here. So if you do want a little less tension, just slide some of the hair down a little bit, and then that way you can actually fit the whole lock in and loop it in, and then you could just push it right back up once you start feeding your hair inside of the braid. So this is what I mean when it's all uniformed, like the loops are there and everything. So y'all made it this far. I know y'all want y'all discount. You will get 10% off with my discount code 10 butterflies. That's butterfly with an I and an S at the end. So you guys will get 10% off of this hair. Come on now, save your coins. COVID is still here. Save your coins, okay? If y'all not trying to go to the salon, y'all not trying to go get spend money on somebody else doing it, you can get on YouTube and watch my video, watch somebody else's video. For the sake of my video, I have my hair already braided, and that way cut down the time, because my last video with me actually looping my hair, it took longer because my hair wasn't braided already. Make sure you guys start off with freshly washed hair, okay? Y'all don't want your hair itching. For the sake of this video, I did wash the hair in apple cider vinegar, okay? I finally remembered to do that. Yeah, if y'all see white stuff in my hair, it's because it is gel, okay? It hold, but it be like little flakes and whatnot in my hair, and I'm like, it's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. The gel, the hair is giving. If y'all want to see some pictures I took in my little fashion over dress, my little fashion over dress, y'all can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Butterflishy. Now, I said I was gonna do a giveaway for my store. I will, but y'all need to be following me on Instagram at Butterflishy, butterfly with the I, okay? I am going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon, a care package with like mad stuff, and I'm only going to be doing it for five people. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram account, follow my business Instagram account, and make sure you DM my Butterflishy Instagram and type in butterfly giveaway, okay? I'll put that in the description box so y'all won't forget. But make sure y'all check out Young there. I feel like I'm saying it wrong. I'm sorry if I am saying it wrong. Zhang Rose. I will put their stuff in the description, and I also will put it at the bottom of the screen, okay? yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me so y'all know when I'm doing a giveaway. I'm only doing 5 care package, self-care packages. I'm only doing 5, okay? I might only do 3. You never know. Between 3 and 5. Hey, I don't know. So make sure you guys follow the instructions. Subscribe to my YouTube. Follow my Instagram. Follow my business Instagram. DM my personal Instagram. Type in Butterfli Giveaway. And don't forget your 10% discount. 10% discount on these beautiful butterfly locks. Okay? Get 10% discount. It is 10 butterflies. Butterfly with an I-S at the end. I will put that in the bottom of the screen as well. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That will definitely help out my channel grow more. I will see you guys on the next video.